We got the book right here. All right. Get yourself a copy. 100%. Book is available on Amazon, and this is a 50% off at the moment. All right. If you're a person who are interested, if you get yourself a copy of the book, this is the hardcover. All right. Yeah, a good vibes. Now, I don't think it's like the way I expect it. It's gonna be happening, but all right. Okay. All right. Let's get a bowl of water. You know, a lot of people like to ask this question: where you from? You know, where you from and where this and where that. You know, when a pilot flying the plane, you can't just get up out of your seat and go ask him where he's from. You know what I mean? So you have to just respect the pilot because that's his door. When the cockpit is closed, that's it. You don't ask the pilot where you're from and all them stuff. You sit back and enjoy the flight. All right? Yeah. You don't ask the pilot where he's coming from when he's flying the plane. You know what I mean? You sit back and enjoy the flight. All right? So when you hear someone is asking you when you're doing a show or anything, where you're from, where this, where that, you don't do that. You know what I mean? When a pilot flying a plane, you cannot ask the pilot where he's from. You have to sit back and enjoy the flight, button your seatbelt, and you know what I mean? Watch a movie on your phone or do something. Yeah, so relax and enjoy the flight. All right, we have a glass of water, a bowl of water, sorry. I think I may have to pre-record this video. Still a little bit fuzzy. From yesterday I've been seeing that. I think I need to shut down the internet and restart everything. I'm gonna pre-record it. All right, big bowl of water. All right. And we're going to put a little bit of baking soda into the water. Yeah, that's some baking soda. All right, I'm going to dissolve out the baking soda into the water. Because a lot of people do not wash their ingredients, and it is a big thing, guys. You need to wash your ingredients, okay? Baking soda. And what we're going to do, we're going to put some strawberry into the water like this. All right, that's the strawberry. All right, as you can see. All right. Lovely. Yeah. That's the strawberry into the water. Lovely. So that's the strawberry. Now we're going to put some raspberry into the water. So you know raspberry, guys, you need to check it good because sometimes there is worm in these bits. Make sure you're checking them good, all right? Yeah. Because sometimes there is worm inside of them and you don't see them. All right. Lovely. That looking good. Nice one. Now, I'm going to put some blackberry also into the water. No, sorry, not blackberry, blueberry into the water. And I'm checking my blueberries just to make sure I'm firm and good. So you need to spend time and do this. So if you have to go to work, probably have to rewatch back the video later on. All right. So as you can see, that looking excellent so far. Right there. All right, nice one. So as you can see it for yourself, that's the blueberry, strawberry, and raspberry into the water with some baking soda. All right, so it's a good vibes right there, so guys. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to leave it in the water for at least a rough about 5 to 10 minutes, and then make sure, let me see, what is this? Okay, you know. All right, some people will put all the vinegar into the water and all them stuff there, but if you got baking soda or vinegar, you can use it. Lovely. So you can see it for yourself, that looking good. Nice. That is excellent, Chef Ricardo. Nice one. Okay. All right, any little bit of damp or dirt or anything on it, it will remove it. Okay, excellent. All right, let's get my blender. I think I'm gonna use the baby one because it's not a lot of ingredients, so we made us use a small one. So first thing is getting a itself piece of a ginger. You know what I mean? I love my smoothie with ginger, but you don't have to, it's optional. All right, here it is. Little piece of a ginger into it. All right. Teaspoon of lemon juice. Yeah. So as you can see it for yourself, that looking good so far. All right. We got some ginger and lime juice into the blender so far, so that is a good vibes. All right, yeah. All right, secondly, let's get these washed off. Lovely. So I get my ingredients washed off very nicely, and yeah, now what I'm going to do is put them inside of the blender like this, guys. Okay, now it is important for you to wash your ingredients them very good, because you know what I mean, things when you're putting inside of your gut must always hygienic. All right, just like how you're cleaning your kitchen. You know what I mean? Yeah. That looking lovely and nice. Yeah. All right. I was gonna do another kind of a smoothie, but I'm just using this one more easier and simpler for you guys to do at home. So you know what I mean, there's many ways you can do this smoothie into, but this is just a simple one for you guys to do at home. So now what I'm gonna do is get some water and put it inside of it, roughly about half cups of water, large cup, and put a pinch of apple cider vinegar in it. If you like to, you can put some honey inside of it, although the fruits is already sweet, but it's summer. Okay. And if you want to put some almond nuts, you can put some almond nuts inside of it. You can put oats, you can put oats milk, you can put lots of stuff inside of it. But the next time I'm gonna give you that video, but not today, because there's a lot of recipe I have for you guys. Lovely. So we're gonna make some noise. All right. Lovely. Let's blend up this now. Wow, that is so simple. Simple and effective. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Simple and very effective. All right. And that's what Chef Ricardo like to give you guys. Something simple and easy to make at home. All right. So whatever you guys are doing today, man, you know how things go already. It's all about healthy recipes and, you know what I mean, detoxing the body and looking after yourself. It's so important for you guys just to do this one. All right. So you might have said to yourself, Chef Ricardo, what kind of recipe is that? Yeah, very healthy and delicious. And very simple. And it doesn't complicate it neither. So, good vibes with that one, right? So.